Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to WinCo. I need to get some things, and I have about $100, so I'm gonna try to see how much food I can buy with $100 for my family. So, let's go. I have a very specific list to get today. And then I can get other food. I feel like I just went shopping backwards, trying to go on my list. They have some wonderful aisles. Look at this cereal. Oh, I don't know what to get. I'm kind of at a loss because nothing really looks good, and I didn't bring a list that said, hey, let's make these meals this week. So I'm just kind of grabbing and choosing. Do you ever have that? When you go to the grocery store, you know you need to get stuff, but nothing really looks that great. I don't know, WinCo usually has a good supply. I'm not saying that their supply isn't good. I'm just not in the mindset tonight. So here's all of my bags. I'm just gonna unload because it's kind of late. So I just wanna do this quickly, get things put away, and go to bed. But I will tell you, I spent $95, and if you can tell, I'm losing my voice. Happens every year. I have like a little cold, first weeks of school, and I usually lose my voice. And the kids think it's funny. I have a couple of things that need to go into the freezer. So I got what I usually get, my orange chickens. Although I didn't get it the last time I was at WinCo, I only got the teriyaki barbecue chicken. That was really good. So I got the orange chicken because this one's yummy. And I got, they sell these, they used to sell something like this at Costco, but I really like this brand. So this is a good one. And this is a giant one. It's 2.5 pounds. It says 2.5 pounds, like giant, like it's gonna last forever, but it's like maybe a meal at our house. I also got some of the WinCo brand. Oops, that's upside down. So this is the mint fudge. Those taste like the grasshoppers, and my kids really do like the fudge graham crackers. So these are just for lunches, and those are like $1.50 each. So, you know, the store brand, not too bad. I also got for their lunches some more pretzels. They do love pretzels. And I got some bananas. I got some whipped cream, which will be for an upcoming video, a recipe. I have just the store brand for Excedrin. I do go through a lot of it, unfortunately. Some hand soap, some dryer sheets, and then my son was like, can you get me some Reese's Pieces? I couldn't really like find a bag, but I found these. Has anybody had those? So I'm just gonna go give those to him. We were working in the front yard just now, so I think he deserved it. That's probably why I'm so tired and didn't really want to go grocery shopping, and I couldn't find anything to like put in the cart that was semi-decent and yummy. I don't know. Next. Okay, I got some lettuce and some Roma tomatoes. Remember, those are my favorite. I also got some snack baggies because those cookies have to go somewhere, right? I got some Prego. That's kind of our go-to sauce. I really do like the flavor of that. I got some hot fudge. So that's gonna be for an upcoming recipe. Can you kind of see that the whipped cream and the hot fudge, it's kind of going together. I got some hot dog buns because somewhere back there are some hot dogs. I did get some potato chips. So I think one of my boys likes to put some of these in his lunch. If not, we can use these with the hot dogs for a lunch together. I got the Grandma Sycamore, the honey whole wheat. So I did find it at WinCo. Remember I said I couldn't find it at some of these local stores. I also really, really love the sunflower honey one. It's got like the seeds in it, so good. And then I also got some instant milk. Now this is for a different recipe that I'm trying to get ready for, and I'm excited about it. So I haven't done it in many years, so I can't wait to show you. But let me unpack some more. Okay, next up I have some more milks. Now, I don't normally buy chocolate milk, but this is going to be for something special. And I also got some eggs. I do love eggs. So they're so easy. Actually, one of my favorite way of eating eggs is soft boiled. But I'm kind of wanting to know how to do the one that stirs in the pot with a little bit of, it's a poached egg. I'd love to learn how to do that. So I think I might try some eventually here. I got some sliced cheese from their deli, which was such a good price. I think their medium cheddar was on sale because it was $2.69 for all of this, that's a good price, I thought. Our favorite hot dogs are Nathan's, and we are only beef eating hot dog people. So that's just how we do it. That's how we roll. I got some bacon because we've been eating a lot of breakfast for dinner. So that's kind of, I like doing that. So that's good for me. And I got a couple of these brown sugars. They were only like 80 cents each. And they're kind of smaller, which I kind of like because, come on, you know, when you open them up, if you don't use them all pretty quickly, they get hard, right? They get hardened and you have to put a piece of bread. And so anyways, that one might alleviate some of that. I also got some paper towels. So just running low until I can get to Costco. And last, this is my last bunch. I got medium cheddar. It is, this was under $3. It was like $2.78. So I thought, what a great price. Must be on sale, right? I got some yogurt for Paul's breakfasts. So that's good stuff. There was things like on our list that I needed, like baking soda. I've ran out like a week ago or something and borrowing from the neighbors or something like that. So I'm glad I have it now. I got some tissue. We've got a little bit colds going on here with the little boys and the bigger boys too. And now it sounds like it's my turn. Okay, and I have, these are my favorite apples, Honey Crisp. These are just for mommy. I put a little peanut butter on there. Sometimes I put some shredded coconut, some trail mix if we have it, but really it's just peanut butter. I love it that way. And what do they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, maybe it's because it has a lot of fiber in it, right? Okay, not one, but 2 boxes of hot cocoa. It is not even cold outside. So this is why I'm like going, what am I buying? Like, that's when I was having a weird moment in the WinCo. I had to get some more peanut butter. Ezra and the boys are really liking the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And I just made a whole bunch of jam recently, so it's kind of nice to have the extra peanut butter on hand. I saw this in the Crystal Light section and I thought, I bet the boys would like to have that. The Hawaiian Punch, sugar-free. So I like getting these because if they spill, it's not sticky. It's not a big deal. Just as long as they don't spill it on my couch. I did get, see, this is one of those moments. Top ramen. It's so healthy for you. But sometimes it's what Ezra wants. And he doesn't get it very often. But sometimes we have it even if I make egg rolls. So, I don't know. Sometimes we do it healthier and sometimes we just don't. I got 2 bags of baby carrots. Love those. I got a bag of potatoes. I thought we could do some baked potatoes, and we have still some chicken in the back freezer. So I'll probably make some, have Paul grill some chicken. We'll have baked potatoes with that. Sounds like a perfect meal. Put some salad with it. Great. I also got Ezra some apple sauces. They sell these at WinCo for about $2.50, but this is only to kind of hold us over until we can get to Costco, which I'm hoping is soon, because they sell these at a much better price for greater quantity at Costco. So that's what I have. This is all I got. Thanks for going with me to WinCo for a little late night shopping. So this is gonna hold us over for hopefully until we go grocery shopping next week. So just never know what I'll be rolling out next. And stay tuned. I hope we have a bigger haul coming up. So have a good night.